Hello everyone, I am Debopriya Majumdar from West Bengal and this year I have cleared UGC NET 2022. I am here to share my success story with you. My preparation began with Shubendu Mukherjee education, that is with Shubendu sir. I was really very worried about how to prepare for UGC NET because this was the very first competitive exam I was going to try. In YouTube, I was going through various lessons, chapters, and meanwhile, I found a video of Shubendu sir. I got his explanation really easy to understand and काफ़ी आसान था उनका explanations सुन के याद कर लेना सब चीज़ों को. So I also found that he has a course. So I contacted him and I joined the course. This course was really a pathfinder for me because the benefits of these courses are like they provide a quality content at a very low and affordable price which everyone can afford. Secondly, the topics are explained such nicely by sir that it is very easy to visualize and memorize and understand each and every complex concepts in geography. Thirdly, besides the videos, Sir also provides us the opportunity to memorize our lessons with podcasts, as podcast is also available. So our screen time gets lessened and really it is very easy to recapitulate the entire course before exam. And what really works as a stress buster is the motivation sessions that Sir takes and he speaks to each one of us. He listens to our problems and clarifies it. Even the night before exam, the way he motivated us was the main thing that helped me to keep my calm and give my exam nicely. Lastly, I would like to conclude that trusting Shubendu sir blindly led me to this success. As he always says, we need to cover the entire range of the syllabus and we need to make thorough revisions. I did that only and I cleared this time. So, sir, I'm really thankful to you, and your course really works as a miracle. Thank you so much, sir, for coming into our lives and making our career more smooth.
यूजीसी नेट ज्योग्राफी के ऑनलाइन कोर्स जो आपके फोन में चलेगा तो आपको एक टेलीग्राम ग्रुप के अंदर ऐड किया जाएगा. यूनिट 1 से यूनिट 10 तक सारे कोर्स वीडियोस और उसके पीडीएफ इस तरह से आपको यहाँ पर मिल जाएंगे. लेट्स सपोज आपको जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी पढ़नी है, आपने क्लिक किया, गूगल ड्राइव सेलेक्ट किया, ज्योग्राफी के सारे वीडियोस एक ही जगह पे आपको मिल गए. कि पीडीएफ देखने ये पूरा पीडीएफ का फोल्डर खुल गया. एक ऐप की तरह आपको डेमो क्लासेस देखनी है और उसके बाद मुझे आप कांटेक्ट कीजिएगा.